And now the starting lineup for your South Texas Rebels. At left wing, number 17, Ilya Kovalchuk. At right wing, number 68, Jaromir Jagr. At center, number 15, Brandon Mashinter. And in goal, number 39, Alex Nedeljkovic. The head coach for the Rebels is Drew Bannister. The Saskatoon Blizzard. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise, remove all hats, and join us in the presentation of tonight's anthems. First, the Canadian National Anthem. And now the American National Anthem. Thank you, and enjoy the game. Welcome to AT&T Center in San Antonio, Texas. Got a nice crowd here tonight. We're going to get straight to the game after that spectacular intro by the South Texas Rebels. Looks like a baseball game with the jersey matchup. White against gray. We've seen that in Lego League Baseball. Here we go. If you're wondering what the song was, All My Life by Foo Fighters. That was the song. And then the entrance song was Immortalized by Disturbed. Alright. If you're wondering what the songs were, I'll put links in the description. I'll put the song names in the description. Alright, here we go. Game about to get underway. Rebels and Blizzard. And we start here at AT&T Center with a face-off that goes out of bounds. Right by Drew Bannister. So, the most LHL-like start to a game. And that's tipped out of bounds. So, very slow start to the game. 2 out of bounds in 3 seconds. The draw goes back to the Blizzard. Pass up ahead. That's a horrible shot. And that's going to be on the line by Edler. And I believe that hit on even ice. I don't think that was a save by Nedeljkovic. Yager turns it over. Shoots over the net. Hornquist could not get the right height on it. Kovalchuk could, but it was stopped by Lindback. Right back across and a save. Now here's Yager. Up ahead to Mashinter blocked. And now that's going to be a save by Nedeljkovic on Alex Edler. That's another turnover. Edler and another stop by Nedeljkovic. Yager fires a shot, does not go. Here's Edler across to Hornquist, he misses. Sent him behind by Nedeljkovic. Kovalchuk grabs it out of the corner. He shoots. Lindback makes the save. Has it in the back. Here's Alex Edler. And he rolls it offside. Shot by Kovalchuk. He scored! Ilya Kovalchuk puts the Rebels up first. At 52 seconds of the period, it's Ilya Kovalchuk making an early impact. This is just a shot. It's not the strongest in the world. Lindback taps it, it hits the crossbar, and it drops beyond the goal line. Ilya Kovalchuk, his first of the preseason. And I couldn't stop that in time. There we go. Let's transfer this back. I'm going to mute this real quick. There. Boom. I did it. So a little bit of a delay there as we have some goal horn issues. 1-0 Rebels. They get the draw. Tipped away by Lindback. So now Hornquist fires. Nedeljkovic sends it in behind. He dropped it, but it was just to the side of the net. Yager shoots in a save. I can't believe Kovalchuk and Yager on the same team. And now Kovalchuk to Mashinter. Bad shot. Hornquist trying to take one. It doesn't go at all. Turned it over. That's going to be on the line. And Edler gets through Nedeljkovic, but it does not go in. It drops just to the right. Kovalchuk fires a shot. It doesn't go. That's going to be blocked. Here's Ilya Kovalchuk. He'll put in the corner. And trying to... Oh! Yager collects the board pass from Nedeljkovic. Halfway through the period. Turnaround shot from Megan is no good. And that's going to drop back. That's going to be tipped away. And oh my goodness, a huge flight offside there. And I don't know what Hornquist was doing there. Alex Edler just flew. He flung himself offside. 1:19 to go. And now Alex Edler has it, shoots, and a save is made. Here's Ilya Kovalchuk. And that one flies out of bounds. That one was way too high to have any chance of going in. It was too high to have any chance. Yeah, that thing was flying. Like, I can't believe how high that puck was. 1:14 to go. Here's the draw. And that's a turnover. Shot doesn't go. Hornquist trying. Nedeljkovic makes the save. Ilya Kovalchuk shot it at his own player. Edler misses the net. Yager. Here's Mashinter. Over to Yager. He shoots. Easy save for Lindback. Barely had to move. Another turnover. Yager fires no. Here's Hornquist to Megan. He fires one. It's on the line. Rebels get it. Yager fires no good. Hornquist trying to put one on. It doesn't go. Mashinter has it tipped away by Lindback. 45 seconds left in the period. Turn it over. Shoots. Lindback makes the stop. And it's right there. Megan, weak shot, doesn't go. Ilya Kovalchuk has it in the back. He shoots. Doesn't go. Edler misses by a long shot. Turnover. Hornquist. Nedeljkovic with a flipping save. Like he was literally flipping. And it tips. That was a horrible shot. It wasn't even a shot. Mashinter, no. Kovalchuk rebounded, another save by Lindback. Across the ice, Hornquist and Nedeljkovic makes the save. Rebels trying to keep applying the pressure. Mashinter got it back from Yager. He misses. Yager takes the next shot. It goes out with 4 seconds left on the save by Lindback. It flew right into the penalty box. And not all the lights are even on. I'll fix that issue. There we go. Now we've got all the lights on. See, that's better. 4 seconds left. Could be enough to get a quick shot. It is. Hornquist fires out of bounds with 1 second left. One last face-off here. Firing a shot. Lindback makes the save. He sends it down. Period's over. So once again, just 1 goal in the period, and that's all we saw. Just like in the last couple of games. 1 goal in the period, and that's it. Alright, that's the end of the first period. Ilya Kovalchuk has the only goal so far. That was for the Rebels. We'll be back for the second. All right, here we go. About to get underway with the second. In the last couple games, there was 1 goal in the first period, and then the second period had between 4 and 6 goals. So we'll see if it translates to this game. 3 minutes on the clock. Rebels have it. Kovalchuk, bad shot. Edler could not get a good one. Yager has it on the great pass, and that's going to go out of bounds on the shot block by Wade Megan. You know, I think the way that we're getting scoring this year, it's pretty good. Like 7 to 8 goals a game. It's nice. There's a shot. Lindback makes the save, and it tips back to him. Stops it anyway. Hornquist, oh, that was almost a perfect pass. Oh, it banked off the boards and in. No goal. That one was definitive. The Rebels fans, not too happy about it. The fact that it banked off the boards and in. They're not booing, but they're just not happy that it went in off the boards, so it doesn't count. Edler fires. It was blocked by Kovalchuk. Back across. Yager has it deflected on goal. Turned it over. Mashinter could not put it home. Right back across to Kovalchuk. Back to Yager. He fires. Lindback makes the save. Wade Megan hits the bar. Hornquist rebound. No good. Kovalchuk to Yager again. Now Mashinter. Back to Kovalchuk. Mashinter fires it. Lindback goes sliding in as it went out of bounds. That was actually pretty funny. Here's the draw. Sent back across. Deflected back, but it came nowhere close to the net. Hornquist will turn it over off the boards. Now it winds up on the line as the Rebels take over here. Yager fires a miss. That was actually a good shot otherwise. Here's Alex Edler. He shoots. Nedeljkovic makes the save. Sent back to Kovalchuk. Bad shot. Edler got it tipped, but oh, that almost went in. That would have been an own goal. And now Lindback sent it back into the corner. Alex Edler over to Hornquist. Doesn't go. Yager takes a shot and he hits the post. Here's Ilya Kovalchuk. Sends it up and a shot save. Alex Edler has it. Megan back to Edler. He shoots. No, that's going to be tipped up and over by Patrick Hornquist. Very defensive game so far. Still only 1 goal on the scoreboard. And that was by Ilya Kovalchuk. I swear if that's the only goal that's scored. Here's Kovalchuk. He has it here. He shoots. Tipped away. Edler. Sent across. Hornquist misses. And now Nedeljkovic controls it in behind the net. Kovalchuk. Up ahead. Mashinter has it blocked. And almost a turnover. Now it is a turnover for Yager. On the line again. Edler gets it back. Takes a shot. Doesn't go. And that one's tipped there. Lindback kicks it away. Now you got Megan. Wade Megan fires a shot. It doesn't go. Yager goes offside and they got to touch up. Yager is there and he hits the post. The shot doesn't count though. 1:08 to go in the second period. Still 1-0. It's been an offensive struggle. And now here's a shot. That almost bounced in. That would have counted. Edler. He fires on the line. Kept away by Nedeljkovic. Great play there by Nedeljkovic to keep his team up. Here's Ilya Kovalchuk. Sends it up. Mashinter over the net and out of bounds. That one actually hit my computer. He's lucky he didn't break the screen. Jeez, Brandon. 51 seconds left. They get the draw. Shot by Yager. Does not go. Turned over. That's a shot block. And what is Yager doing? Hornquist takes a shot. It does not go at all. Here's Ilya Kovalchuk. It's turned over. Firing missed. Rebound. Megan does not put it home. In the corner now is Yager. Yager sends it up to Kovalchuk. What is he doing? Edler shoots no good. And he turns it over to Kovalchuk and Lindback makes the save. I think these guys are hurrying too many shots. Megan put it too high. Kovalchuk. Up ahead to Mashinter. He misses. Bounces back on the line. Own goal. Now because Nedeljkovic made the effort to kick it out. It hit the boards. It went back. This is going to be an own goal. This is going to count. We're tied. 1-1. It's a tie game here. The Blizzard. I don't even know who gets credit. I'm going to put it up as TBD, tie game. It's TBD who scored the goal. I'll figure it out after the game. Hi.
I need the towels.
I'll get them to you in a second.
Okay.
There's 15 seconds.
Okay, go ahead. Finish.
All right. Well, we got to wait here because the goal was just scored on an own goal. Dad's in the room. He's behind the camera. Reset that in case a goal is scored. Within the next 15 seconds, Rebels control it here. Kovalchuk goes out. You got 12 seconds to go now in the second period. The draw win by the Blizzard. Megan fires no. Here's Jaromir Jagr. Turns, fires, tipped on goal by Hornquist. Doesn't go. 5 seconds left. Sends it in behind. On the line here, a little line battle. Kovalchuk. I don't know what he was doing. That goes in, but the horn had sounded no goal. We will obviously check it, but call on the ice is no goal. Second period's over. Tie game 1-1. All right, we're back for the third. Just got to check one thing. So we are ready for the third. It's a pretty low-scoring game. I haven't even switched the players yet. So yeah, third period about to get underway. It's 1-1. It's the least amount of goals we've had after 2 periods so far this preseason. It's 1-1. I'll have to check that Blizzard goal later after the game. It was an own goal that tied the game at 1. And that's where we're at. All right, I'm back. Switch the lineup cards before we start. So no penalties yet. It's been a very clean game. Both teams have, again, a lot of shots on, but so far only 2 goals. The draw goes to Saskatoon. Hornquist gets one on, but it hits uneven ice. Rebound nowhere close. Kovalchuk takes a shot. That was actually a really good one. Jagr has it up along the boards. Mashinter fires no. Hornquist turns it over. Jagr, quick shot, totally missed. Lindback. It is not on the line. It's pulled back. That one's going to hit the side of the net. Yeah, Kovalchuk. Oh, he put too much on the pass. Hornquist saved there by Nedeljkovic. And that's going to miss there. Rebound. That's also going to miss from Jaromir Jagr. Out to Alex Edler. He puts it not on the line. Edler shoots. He missed the net. Or did it go in? And they're saying... I think this went in. I think this went in. I think this is in. They're going to check this one. They're going to go to review, and I'm going to check that other Blizzard goal as well. And on the replay, it's so hard to tell. Here's the call. After review, there was no conclusive evidence that the puck crossed the line. The call on the ice stands. No goal. No goal. It's the call. The Blizzard will get the puck. I think Edler thought it was in, but the official said no goal. And then I couldn't tell on the replay. Like, it was probably the toughest review so far. I gotta get more cameras. Like, maybe put one behind the net. It would be a little bit easier to tell if this puck goes in. Like if a camera was behind the net. So we're still tied at 1. The faceoff goes back into the corner. Jagr sends it across. Here's Kovalchuk. Shoots. No. Hornquist fires and he missed it. Nedeljkovic stuck in the net. He's got to get out of there, and he does. Jagr has it. Puts it on the line. Recovered there. Brandon Mashinter fires a shot. Doesn't go. Jagr. Rebound. No good. Hornquist over to Edler. He's trying to make up for that. Oh, good save there by Lindback. Here's Edler again. Gave it to Megan. Back to Edler. He misses. And now it's there. Mashinter doesn't put it home. Edler to Megan. Over to Hornquist. Back to Megan. Back to Hornquist. He fires. That almost came back in. Wouldn't have counted because it hit the boards. Jagr has it. Across to Kovalchuk. He fires a shot. Tipped out. 1:40 to go. In the third, we're still tied. This is one of the tightest games we've had so far. That's for sure, but we're not down to the last minute yet. It's a tight game. The last minute is where things get really tense. 1-1. Send up. Hornquist fires and a save. Kovalchuk hits the crossbar. Megan gets a try. Doesn't go. Megan leaves it for Jagr. Has it tipped and it goes out. That definitely went out. It was kind of rimming along the side here. I hope the camera, I hope my phone got that. I hope it got that. Because that's 1 in a million right there. Still tied at 1. In the corner. Turns over. That's going to miss. Hornquist has it here. Puts it up. Turns it over. Brandon Mashinter can't get a good shot. Right back to Edler. He fires. He missed it. Hornquist has it tipped away there by Nedeljkovic. Has it in the corner here. Ilya Kovalchuk puts a liner and he scores! Ilya Kovalchuk, his second of the game, has put South Texas back in the lead. with 1:11 to go in the third period.
Come with me now. Come with me now.
2-1. Rebels have the lead, 2-1. Blizzard down 1 yet again. They're going to have to hope for some puck luck as the clock rolls towards a minute. Hornquist has it, shoots Nedeljkovic to save, and the Rebels are going to kill time. 1 minute remaining in regulation time. 1 minute. Kovalchuk has it, shoots no good. They're not pulling the goaltender yet. Here's Edler, he shoots, tipped away by Nedeljkovic, who's been red hot. Kovalchuk, he shoots, stopped. There goes the goaltender. You got Greg Campbell out on the right. Firing a shot, stopped. Yager, empty net, hits the post. He hits the post on the empty net. Blizzard have got to be careful here. Campbell gets it, shoots. He keeps it from going into their own net. Wade Megan fires in a stop. And now, up ahead to Mashinter. He shoots, blocked on the empty net. Kovalchuk has it again. Blocked again. Here's Yager. Finally scores. Jaromir Jagr. 3-1 with 17 seconds left. The Rebels are going to win this one. So all 4 expansion teams have won. "17 seconds left. South Texas will win. Here's Kovalchuk. They're going to kill off some more time here. Yager. Here's Kovalchuk again. He fires a save. Turnaround off the post, and it goes out of bounds. Stops the clock with 8 seconds left. So South Texas is going to win this one. It was tied for the longest time, and South Texas will win 3-1. Here's the draw. Shooting, tipped away. They're probably going to run the rest of the clock here. It's nicking the line. Blizzard, one more try. That's all. South Texas wins. 3-1. They take out the Saskatoon Blizzard.
Come with me now. Come with me now.
So the Rebels pull it out. 3-1. The final score, South Texas Rebels 3, Saskatoon Blizzard 1. So the second time this preseason a team has been held to 1. Alex Nedeljkovic was amazing. His only blunder was the own goal. I still don't even know who got the goal. So we're going to have to check that. But the Rebels win 3-1. They become the 4th expansion team to win in the first stage of the preseason. You saw the Millionaires beat the Cougars 6-1. The Cyclones beat the Storm Surge 5-3. The Express beat the Thrashers 6-3. And the Rebels beat the Blizzard 3-1. And guess what? All 4 of the teams that made the playoffs last year have been defeated here in the preseason. So I don't know if that's a sign of all these teams having a worse year than last year. But Hey, we'll just have to see. So final score, Rebels win 3-1 over the Saskatoon Blizzard. Pretty fun game. And that's it. See you guys tomorrow.